So this is my site, and as you can see, I've got this standard header. But once you start scrolling, see that the header stays stuck right at the top of the screen. And it gets this cool see-through background. It's like glass. You can still see what's behind it, but it has this sleek, translucent effect that makes it look really modern. It gets better. On mobile, the menu turns into a drop-down, but it still keeps that same glassy effect. So it works just as beautifully on smaller screens. So this is a sticky glass morphism header, and we will create it without using a plugin and only with a little bit of code that I wrote myself. Now, if you have never tried this before or tried it and did not get a good result, don't worry, this tutorial will help you because all the assets and code I am using are linked in the pinned comment below. And I've tested everything myself multiple times, so I know it all works. We will go step by step, and so let's get started. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, look for Templates option and click it. At the top of the theme builder page, you'll see a button labeled Add New Template. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking what type of template you'd like to create. From the drop-down menu, choose Header and then give your new header a name like New Header. Once you've named it, click Create Template. And this will open the Elementor editor where we will create our design. Now we'll define the structure of the header so that it has a clear layout for the logo and navigation menu. In the Elementor editor, you'll see a plus icon in the middle of the screen. Click on it to add a new section. From the layout options, select the two-column structure. This will divide the header into two parts, one for the logo and one for the menu. Click on the first column to select it, and in the settings on the left hand side, set its width to 20%. This is where we'll add the logo. Then click on the second column and set its width to 80%, which will hold the navigation menu. Next, we'll add the content for the header by placing the logo and the navigation menu. Start with the first column. Click on the column to select it and drag and drop an image widget into it. This widget allows you to display your website's logo. In the widget settings, click the Upload Image button and it will open the WordPress media library. From here, select your logo file or upload a new one if needed. Now let's move on to the second column. Click on the column to select it and drag and drop a navigation menu widget into it. To finish, go here and align the menu to the right hand side. Now that the content is in place, we'll style the menu so it matches the sleek design of the header. Head over to the Style tab. Start by changing the font family to Montserrat for a clean modern look. Adjust the font size so the text is easy to read. And tweak the spacing between the menu items to create a balanced appearance. Finally, choose a color for the menu text that complements the transparent background. White or a soft gray works perfectly to keep the design stylish and easy to read. I'll do that quickly. Alright, we'll make sure the header is fully responsive so it looks just as good on mobile devices as it does on desktop. At the top of the Elementor sidebar, click the responsive mode icon, which looks like a monitor and a mobile phone. Switch to mobile view and you'll see the header adjust for smaller screens. Make sure the two columns stack neatly into a single row so everything fits perfectly. Then click on the navigation menu widget to customize the toggle button. Set the toggle button's background to transparent, which will blend seamlessly with the header's design. If your menu uses a drop-down, go to the drop-down section in the Style tab and set the background to translucent. Now this will give the glass morphism effect. Once your header design is complete, go here and publish the page. A pop-up will appear asking where you'd like to display the header. Choose entire site if you want it on every page, or select specific pages if you only want in certain areas. After making your choice, click Save and close to publish the header. Preview your site to check the header's positioning. If it looks like the header is sitting below the hero section, go back to Elementor, select the header section, and click on the Advanced tab. In the margin settings, add a negative top margin to lift the header above the hero section. Once done, go down here and assign Z-index value something like 100, which will work well to ensure the header stays on the top of everything. Let's preview the page again to confirm the positioning is perfect. Looks fine. Now comes the exciting part, adding the sticky behavior and glass morphism effect. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. Go back to Elementor, select the header section and open the Advanced tab. Scroll down to Custom CSS and paste the CSS code I've provided in the pinned comment below. This code creates the beautiful transition from completely transparent to a slick translucent effect as you scroll. For the logo, assign it the class name header-image so it resizes smoothly when the header transitions. To fine-tune the sticky behavior, click on the main container of the header. In the Advanced tab, find the Motion Effects section. Enable the sticky option and set it to top. Adjust the effects offset to around 120 so the sticky effect activates smoothly as you scroll. Okay, save all your changes and preview your site. Scroll down the page and you'll see the header in action. It should stick to the top of the screen and transition smoothly from transparent to that slick glass morphism effect. The title will shrink slightly and the menu will stay accessible. Then switch to mobile view to ensure the drop-down menu works perfectly. And yeah, looks just as stylish as it does on desktop. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this. So click here and I'll see you there.